Hello, it's Phillip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and it's always a privilege and a pleasure to review the Red Book, which is now out in its new 2012 edition. Came out at the end of May, and I'm recording this middle of July. It's the Family Court Practice 2012, written of course by a large number of people, headed by the Right Honourable Lord Justice Wilson, His Honour Judge Anthony Cleary, and the Honourable Mrs. Justice Black, to name just a few. The book, as usual, is what we would expect. It's what I see in every court. It's what we use as basically the main work for family law. What's new with the Red Book this year is the latest legislation and amendments to the Family Procedure Rules 2010. It's also available online, which I think is very helpful as one who's never really got on that much with the CD-ROMs. I have to be honest about it. They haven't been the easiest, but the new online system I think is much better. It's out again, and as I say, eagerly awaited by family lawyers. And frankly, what would a busy and often stressed practitioner do without it? We've written another review which is on the web and should hopefully be in the journals again, and the fact that the Red Book is published annually keeps it as up to date as it can be, notwithstanding the additional updates that come out with it. To say it contains a massive amount of new material this year is an understatement. What isn't an understatement is that, as always, it continues to maintain its impeccable reputation. For in the words of Lord Justice Wilson, ease of use, compactness, clarity of presentation and reliability of text. And that's what we as practitioners and what the judiciary frankly require. So it's small wonder that this monumentally thorough and authoritative work of reference has become universally accepted as standard guidance for all of us. There's a lot of new material incorporated in this. I'll just show you it in a few minutes. Not going to go through that in much detail because we all know what we're looking for within the practice directions and all the other things, including the basic rules. There are changes which family practitioners need to familiarise themselves with, and that's why this work is now well over 3,000 pages. It's heavy. That's what it looks like now. You see, you've got the side colours as well. You can see it's very much what it would look like. Do take care with the pages because they are a bit thin. You've got the very useful information there, and also you've got calendars at the front. There's not a great deal more I can say in a work of this note, but do bear in mind the content section alone is absolutely massive, and it has everything that you actually need. I'm involved in a number of matters, and I really do find this extremely helpful. I'm not going to say much more, but to indicate that I think the new approach with the family law practice with the online system, which will give us much more updating regularly, will be of great help to all. So can I thank everybody concerned for the huge amount of work that's gone into this. We really couldn't do our work properly without it. Thank you very much indeed. Bye bye.